Hare Krishna. Before we begin, I would like to ask each one of you a question. In today's fast paced world, how often do our children get the chance to pause, to breathe, and to connect themselves with their spiritual roots? This is a question which we really need to ponder over. This is Utsai Gopi Devi Dasi, the Chief Coordinator of Bhakt Prahlad School, a Sunday evening spiritual school for children nestled within the loving walls of ISKCON Temple, Radha Govind Dham, SG Highway, Ahmedabad, extending my warm welcome to each one of you. Following the guidance given by Prahlad Maharaj and our spiritual master, His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, to inculcate devotion in children, ISKCON Ahmedabad started the children's wing called the Bhakt Prahlad School, where every day is a journey towards learning and growth. भक्त प्रहलाद स्कूल केवल एक पाठशाला नहीं है, ये एक प्रेम पूर्ण शुरुआत है जहां बच्चे संस्कार, श्रद्धा और आध्यात्मिक आनंद में पले बढ़े। यही हमारा एक्चुअली मोटिव है। दिस इज आवर मेन एम। हम मानते हैं कि भक्ति केवल पढ़ाई नहीं है, ये एक अनुभव है, एक प्रेम है, एक जीवन शैली है जो बचपन से शुरू हो सकती है। So now I would like to tell you what all we do in this special spiritual school for children. Here children from the age of 5 to 13 are introduced to Sanatan Dharam through joyful play, music, yoga, dance, bhajan, art and craft, rhymes, quiz, debates, activities, and the timeless wisdom of our scriptures. We lay stress and emphasize more on the teachings of and the shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. हम भगवत गीता पे ज्यादा हम लोग बच्चों को भगवत गीता के श्लोकास और श्री कृष्ण के टीचिंग्स हम लोग बच्चों को अच्छी तरह समझाते हैं और करवाते हैं। And we try to connect these teachings with stories related to our day-to-day life. And our classes, we begin our classes with Kirtan, Bhajan, and Japa. Our teachers are both materially and spiritually qualified, nurturing every child with love and devotion. They gently guide the children into the world of stories, which consist of valuable life lessons from precious scriptures and devotional expressions in a fun-filled interactive manner. Throughout the year, the children joyfully also participate in all the festivals in the temple as well as in the class. And certificates are also provided to all the participants, and prizes are also given to the children in the various competitions that are held throughout the year. At Bhakt Prahlad School, we aim to give them a holistic education rooted in Vaishnava philosophy and tradition. Our programs instill faith in God and moral values through a fun-filled methodology. Every session of ours ends with a delicious and a sumptuous Krishna Prasad offered with love and received with gratitude. And as the sun sets, the children join the temple congregation for Narsimarti as well as the Tulsi Arti, surrounded by the sacred sounds, the glowing lamps, and the warmth of belonging. At Bhakt Prahlad School, we are not just teaching values. Remember, we are nurturing their hearts We are building faith in them. We are offering a joyful path of connection to Krishna. अपने बच्चों को हम आध्यात्मिक बल, सांस्कृतिक जुड़ाव और भगवान श्री कृष्ण से प्रेम की ओर पहला कदम बढ़ाने के लिए आइए आप और हम मिलके उन्हें हम लोग आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश करें. Thanks to all the parents and the children who are with us in this joyful journey of fulfilling Lord Chaitanya's mission to spread Krishna consciousness throughout the world. And if you are not registered with us, and if you are, and parents, dear parents, those who are not registered with us, why don't you join us and help our children to grow materially as well as spiritually in their future endeavors? Hare Krishna, and thank you so much